In this video, I'm going to show you how to like notes on Instagram. As you already know, notes are one of the many features that appear now on your Instagram app. Before you start this tutorial, make sure your Instagram app is updated. For that, go to your Play Store and search for Instagram. If the blue button says open, that means your Instagram app is updated. Then go to your Instagram app and open your messages. And all the notes you can reply to appear here. Select one of the notes, and as you can see, you can either send a photo, a video, write a message, send an audio voice note, a sticker, or you can also click on the heart and like the note. And that's it. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. See you on the next one.